Hi, Vieira with the stockmarketlive.tv. Today I'm going to briefly describe in this webinar the different services that you have available from our partners, autonomous trading, and I'm going to explain how you can start with and how you can evolve. And if you give me 10 minutes, I believe that you are going to comprehend how does it work by referring here to this flow chart, which is available on the website of the company as a PDF high definition. So I'm going to position here myself pretty fast for you to visualize it. And I'm going also to use this zoom function. You have here a panel, the largest one, service. On the top you have machine learning, the algorithm that sends information then to autonomous trading. Autonomous trading is divided into basically three different plans. The highest and the first tier artificial intelligence autonomous trading, including the app advanced features set. Thereafter you have the second tier autonomous trading premium, and only these two services they include account manager, as well as they work as complete programs. For example, you have access to all the courses. You click here on this arrow, which is directly linked to autonomous trading, artificial intelligence and premium, since the courses they are complementary. I'm referring to complementary. I'm not referring that it is included in the service, which is a completely different matter. These courses they are truly complementary, given the price that we started with, okay, the service, which is not going to be the case in the future. For example, the price of Trading 101, it has been increasing. The trader's course it started to be free, but soon we are not going to offer the trader's course for free. In fact, the trader's course itself is going to have the same price as the program Trading 101. So basically what I've been saying these 4 months is that we are going to offer the trader's course for free. This is precisely what we did. For those that they are small investors, you have here the Bull and Bear platform, which is divided into 3 different services. The Bull and Bear standard, the most basic service, and also the service at stockmarketlive.tv as an example with the less number of subscribers. Thereafter you have the Bull and Bear high performance. Here you have by far a higher number of subscribers and therefore also different results. And finally you have the Trading 101. Of these three different services within the platform Bull and Bear, given by the yellow color, the one that is worth to subscribe to, it is the Trading 101 for 2 reasons. One, because it includes the trader course, and secondly, because it includes the app. The app, autonomous trading app, it is free. Even if we are referring to the basic features, and the basic features I'm referring to real-time trading as an example, the fact is that I have customers paying 1 year service within the first week, okay, in this service called Trading 101. So when people they ask me which service should I subscribe to as a small investor, the answer, the natural answer, it is obvious. Trading 101, you have the reviews, the interviews, the case studies, the track record, the performance, the history on the app, and so on. Notice that on the top you have here machine learning, and there is here a link that goes all the way down to this icon representing human intervention. That is to say that there is a very high level of filtering between the algorithm data and then the data provided to this service: Bull and Bear Standard, Bull and Bear High Performance, and finally Trading 101. Notice also that they have different heights here. The Bull and Bear Standard, it was positioned at the lowest level, then you have the Bull and Bear High Performance, and finally the Trading 101. Now, this is of the utmost important to notice that here you notice the existence of Trading 101, this green panel, as well as Trading 101 on this yellow panel. Why does it happen? Well, because this service, Trading 101, is the only service that allows you then to upgrade in the future to autonomous trading. In other words, you cannot subscribe to Bull and Bear Standard and then in the future go to, or if you wish, then the next couple of months to go to the autonomous trading. It is impossible. Likewise, similarly, Bull and Bear High Performance, you cannot go to autonomous trading. So if you don't start in Trading 101, you cannot go ever to autonomous trading. This is the policy of the company, which it is based on more than 30 years experience, and also the reason why we have all these results by customers. But it's not only that. You notice here upgrade path, different panels, okay? Notice that they overlap themselves. The other reason that you have these two ellipses with the same name is the fact that when the Trading 101, the former version, it was created, it didn't include the app. As of today, the app it is included for free. So if you subscribe today, the access to the autonomous trading app, it is complimentary. But if you subscribed several months ago, you have to purchase the add-on to have access to Trading 101 within this region. What does it mean pragmatically? It means that there is a huge difference between this Trading 101 in terms of profits, where you in fact you have interviews online on the web, on YouTube, on Vimeo, saying that they paid this in less than 1 month for the entire year, comparing to this one. Okay, here I have subscribers that paid several years of service within the first month. Also depends on your capital, obviously, but this is a fact. And here we have a full documented history, proven 100% accuracy. Moreover, the objective is not to obtain all the time 100% accuracy. If you have an accuracy within 80 to 100%, it is better than everyone else in the industry. Okay, so everyone else in the industry has returns on investment of 5 to 10% per year. Here you have examples of return on investments 4,000% plus, the case of Nvidia, or 6,000%, 6,300%, the case of Netflix. And this fully documented, okay, since the very beginning, for years, all right? So having said this and proceeding, you have then here a very important service called App Live Trading, okay? This App Live Trading, which is described also on the website of the company, it is here because it has access to the app, and this service, it is basically one, it is very popular, it substituted the former SMS live trading, and as of today, there are no longer, as in the past, many new subscribers, because this service, or what it includes, it is in fact complementary in these programs here. So as of today, there are less people subscribing to the app live trading compared to the past. Okay? That is obvious. For example, we have more people subscribing to Trading 101 than to the app live trading. Nevertheless, they don't complement each other, okay? So if you are a day trader and for example you are interested in short-term trading or investing in a company as Tesla or Amazon or Apple, just to give some names, you can utilize the app live trading. Okay, so since today, other example, we right now cannot accept any further new subscribers to artificial intelligence autonomous trading, we have some people entering this app live trading. You have the silver and the gold plan. I believe so. You have the features described on the website. But you don't have access to coaching as the other programs they do. So the app live trading is pretty much as the case of Bull and Bear High Performance or Bull and Bear Standard, examples of standalone license and not programs. Okay, the programs that we have here is the Trading 101, the Artificial Intelligence Autonomous Trading, and the Artificial Intelligence Premium, because they include is a kind of package. They include several core components which they are considered relevant for one to obtain the maximum return on investment and also to learn how to invest in the markets. And also notice that if you are interested, for example, in bitcoins or forex market, then you have the premium or the artificial intelligence. So this pretty much depends which stocks or companies you are interested in. Okay, so this process or flow chart explains it rather well, because if you create a free account on the website of the company, by logging in you have access to a list of companies listed on New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ, and for each company you can see that they, for example, one it is included, let's say Snapchat, I don't know, in the artificial intelligence program, but it can then appear all the way down, for example, in Bull and Bear Standard or in Bull and Bear High Performance. That can be the case. Okay, but if you want to be an investor long term, continuously in a given company, premium, as the case of Nvidia, the service that you have to subscribe to is the Artificial Intelligence Autonomous Trading. Okay, so the most popular service right now. But there are many companies which you consider of a different nature, I don't know, First Solar or others, that you don't, it is not required to subscribe to artificial intelligence. Even in Trading 101 you might find them, as well as premium stocks or companies, Nvidia or Alibaba and so on. But this service for small investors, they have rotation of stocks which does not happen in this service here, because the premium stocks that they appear here, they can appear for quite a while, but then they are removed and they continue being discussed in autonomous trading. Okay, so this is one of the reasons you have stocks appearing. For example, one of the features for the Bull and Bear platform, it does not include earnings. If it does not include earnings, ahead of earnings, you may see the stock or the company removed if we want to, and then after the company reported, we may then go back to or to include it once again, because if you want to participate or know about earnings, then you have this service here, autonomous trading. Okay. Also notice that the standard, it includes the access to the trader scores. The trader scores, it is absolutely mandatory for everyone. Okay, it's absolutely mandatory. It is very different and complementary to the live technical analysis course. they are not they don't overlap at all. And here, what else to say? Pretty much I described everything that I wanted to within a brief, I don't know, 10 minutes. If you need further information, you have it on the website of the company, or you open a support ticket. Thank you. Bye.